amazing thing about living in Malaysia is there's lots of great hiking places, and that is Bukit Raka, and we're gonna go hike the trail of Bukit Raka today. Happy hiking!
Welcome to your life. There's no turning back. Even while we sleep, we will find you acting on.
So nice to breathe fresh air again.
You're back on Mother Nature. Everybody wants to rule the world.
Looks like we're doing track 8. What are you guys doing?
It's my own desire. It's my own remorse. Help me to.
You're all worn out? Oh, your mom is fitter, you know. You have to catch up with her. To the pit stop anyway. Like this. I know. No, yes, not late.
There's a room where the light won't find you. Holding hands while the walls come tumbling down. When they do, I'll be right behind you. So glad
She forgo the rope. She doesn't trust the rope. There's a total of 5 steep climb like this here in Bukit Raka. So you can get a glove. If you can find a glove, it will help a lot. I'm only done with my second one, can you imagine? How you feel? You made it.
Two more rock faces, okay?
Two more row faces. I reached the peak. Oh my god. High five. We made it. We made it.
can't stand this indecision. Married with a lack of vision. Everybody wants to rule the world. Say that you'll never, 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 never need it. One headline, why believe it? Everybody wants to rule.
We're going down and then we're eating turkey lemang. It's not turkey, what is it? Local lemang we're eating. Supposedly they have the best lemang in town. So boys and girls, that was my hike at Bukit Raka. Until my next video, stay active. Bye!